Hi guys, so this is the situation today. I have all these tops cutted out since maybe almost 2 months, and I didn't find the time until today to actually sew them. You know, it's quite a simple project and it's not so exciting for me, but I just have this fabric first of all. Second of all, it's already cutted out, and the last but not least, I really need some simple tops. So what I'm going to do today, or better say attempt to do, is to sew all of them, plus I hack one of them and I did my own version, which you will see at the end if you keep watching, if I will be successful to make it today. Right now is 10:25 a.m. I could have started earlier, but I don't get too much light in this room early morning, so this is it. This is where we are starting today. I have my overlock threaded, I have my machine ready here. I already did some prep work in order that it can be achievable today, otherwise I don't think it could be possible. So I have 2, 4, 6 and 3 is 9 tops, plus I have one sweater here that is just needs to be finished, so we can say almost 10 tops. So I guess I don't have much time. I should be probably sewing at the end. If I can manage to sew all of them, it will be amazing, but let's see. So I think I will start with the oversized t-shirt because they are most simple one and I don't need a twin needle right now. So I will just start with them and then I will work my way through all of this. So my strategy is very simple here. I will try to sew it in a way that if I need just a straight stitch, I will do all of it in one way if it's possible. And then I will change the twin needle because it will save me some time, I hope. Okay, so all the colors are sewn and I guess let's just move to the overlock machine.
I've been alone before, but never with you. Your mind is not where your heart is, but let me tell you, you're gonna be alright. It's not a wish, it's a promise. It's a different kind of lonely, it's a different kind of sad.
Okay, so I have all the sleeves prepared. The next thing that I want to do, which will be also very quick, is to put all the bodices together. So basically sewing the back and front pieces together, except I think except this pattern. Because in these seams over here where is the opening on the chest, I will need to use a twin needle there, so I think I will keep this top as a last. So let's continue and let's sew all of them.
And I don't love you the same way. We're still moving, but without a sound. God knows it's a long way down. It's a different kind of lonely, it's a different kind of sad. Cause we got no more if only, and we stop feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness, it's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this waitlist, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on, then you've been moving on, and I've been moving on, and you've been moving on.
So a lot of the things have been done. The time is 1:20. I'm quite positive that most of the things can be still finished. The sunset is around 6 o'clock and after I wouldn't like to film here. So we will see if I can finish this until 6 p.m. I don't know. Let me just show you where I am right now, okay? So here are 3 of the oversized t-shirt that I'm making, and this basically needs to attach the collar and the sleeve and of course hemming. This is, by the way, free pattern, but I just tell you it's very oversized and it's very long. So if this is what you want, then great. If not, then maybe download the smaller size. Then here I have 2 very simple, again, just the neckline is a little bit more interesting. Again, the same situation over here, just needs to attach the collar, the sleeves and hemming, so it's the same situation like the oversized t-shirt. Then the similar over here, also attaching the sleeves and the collars. These are the 2 that I hacked. One will have a square neckline, hopefully, if it all goes well, and the other one is like a mock neck. The only thing that is almost not touched is this pattern, but I think it will be also quick. Now I will go piece by piece and I will attach all the sleeves on, and then I will finish all the necklines, and then I will go back to this last pattern.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw.
So it's getting pretty dark outside. It's 5:30 right now, and spoiler alert, I wasn't able to finish everything, but I'm going to still work on one last top, and I will show you tomorrow morning what I was able to finish in one day.
Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one. No
So guys, these are all the tops that I was able to make. Unfortunately, I can't say I made it in one day, but it was fully my mistake because I should have started the day earlier anyway. I take this as a huge success because giving myself this challenge, I pushed myself and I was able to finish so many things in such a short time. And sometimes what you really need is just a couple of basic tops. I'm really satisfied, I'm really happy. I hope that you also like this video. I highly suggest that you challenge yourself and you will see how many things you can make just in one day. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel until now, then I really don't know what you are doing. You should go ahead, subscribe right now so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, for all your lovely comments. I read all of them. And I guess that's it for today. See you soon with the next video. Bye guys.